Hey beauties, so on this video we do these eyes.
Ooh.
I know, right? Like giving, like serving, like Thank y'all so much for clicking. Go ahead and subscribe, put a thumbs up, and make sure you stay to the end. Hey y'all, okay, so I want to do like some red eyes today. So this is going to be one of those cut creases, a different kind of cut crease. So like I ain't never done this kind before. I'm going right into my red in my James Charles palette, Morphe James Charles palette, and then I'm just going to apply this up right under my brow. Okay, and then it's like a light red color in the palette. I'm going to use that and go on top of it with it. And that's just to kind of like brighten up the actual red. Because you know we got to ombre it. Don't act brand new unless you are brand new. We do a lot of ombreing over here. Okay, so now I'm going to take more red and I'm going to start bringing it down some. Okay, and then I want to start bringing my red down the front of my eyes, like right up in here. I didn't touch my nose, but I want to bring it down in the front and blend it up into the shadow that we already had placed. See, I want to go from this to this. Now I feel like we got enough red going on. We're gonna go into our black. So find you kind of a small brush to go into the black. And then we're gonna use this in our crease and kind of work it up into the red, ombreing it, you know, without taking over or it being too much black. We just want it to go from like dark red to light red, you know? Okay, so I'm gonna go back into my red and I'm gonna extend this upward for my cut crease. And then go into my black and kind of trace it out there as well. But not too much, you just want it to kind of ombre into it, fade into it. So I went ahead and did the other eye, you know, I did the black, the red, I kept going till I got it to where I feel like it's okay, you know, it's doing a little something. But hold on, let me just, you know, darken this a little bit more. Okay. So now it's time to get the cutting. So we're starting from out here. Okay, we're gonna stop it midway through. Then we go ahead and do the other one. Okay, so now that we got that part, on this part we gonna so you kind of want to make like this little arrow shape. So I'm just trying to make these lines straight over here. Something like that. Let me do the other eye and see how it come out. So I'm gonna go forward. Now why was that eye so easy to do? Like that was just so easy. And I don't know why. Why is it always like one eye does better? I'm trying to fix it, y'all. It don't look bad though. I think we're still working with a little something. So I'm gonna just bring it down and then wing it up. Boom! I think that looks great. What about you guys? So bring it down and then wing it up. It's safe to say this is my easy eye. Okay, so let me just make my lines right. I feel like this eye looks so awkward while this eye is like effortlessly just doing what it's supposed to do. So you want to fill in that little area. This eye is okay. That's what I'm talking about. I'm gonna take my small brush and I'm gonna go into my red, and I just want to add some red right here. It just didn't feel like enough. So sometimes when you fill it in, you can kind of see like what's really going on, you know. It helps me like just get all the other stuff out the way and let me see what I need to really work on. Up in here. It's looking a little better. I want to sharpen up my little arrow at the top though. Like, so much better. So much better. Okay, you know what else I'm gonna do is go over more on this side because it's like more black showing than on this side. So okay, I think that's it for that part. I'm feeling it. Okay, so now you want to find a very little brush. that'll fit, you know, in those little areas. Okay, so I'm going to start off using the white color that's in my Masquerade 2 palette. And I'm going to use that and place this like in the little arrow. And then I'm going to take my small brush and then clean up the excess around it. Like that. So I'm just going to trace my cut crease with the white eyeshadow. So I use a lighter white on top of the first white because like sometimes the first white, I mean the second white I use, which is in the James Charles palette, it don't come off pigmented enough. So I have to use the one in the Masquerade palette and then go over it with the other one just to brighten it up. That's just, it just don't be working for me. But okay, so y'all know I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye. Y'all, forgive me. But all I did, I promise, was use my white and just like, you know, fill in the actual lid. And you know, have it go into the white. That's all I did, I promise. I'm like, not you stay doing your makeup when you're supposed to be recording, baby. Put the camera on and record. Like, I really be forgetting sometimes. Okay, so the next step, you're gonna get your eyeshadow angle brush, and then I'm gonna go into my red, and we're gonna angle this out. Like this. And you're gonna go up into your cut crease, like that. So you just want to keep doing this for a minute till you get it as red as possible. Go ahead and do the other eye. Okay, so after you did the red, I'm going to go into the dark red color that's in the Juvia's Masquerade 2 palette with the same brush, and I'm going to use this under it and just kind of blend it into it. Okay, so now I'm gonna find another brush and I'm gonna go into my black. Here we go. And then I'm just gonna smoke it upward into the dark red. Okay, so now I'm going to go back in with the dark red and go on top of the black and blend it out more. Then I'm going to go on top of this dark red with the red and blend that out more. Okay, so I went ahead and did my face parts, so I came back to do the under eyes. So with the under eyes, we are going to smoke it out. Okay, so we're going to go right in with our black, go right under your eyelids with it. Okay, and then after the black, I'm going to go in with the dark brown. And I'm going to go right under the black. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my dark red that I was using. And I'm going to go under the brown with that. Okay, and then I'm going to go into the red, and then I'm just going to drop down more and blend the red out. Okay, then I'm gonna go back with the black and put that back on top. And that should be enough. And then I'm gonna take my black eyeliner and just go right under and fill that in. And that will be it for my under eyes. I think I want to add some shimmer on the lid. I'm going to go into my J. LaRue pigment, white gold pigment. And I'm going to put this like in the front and then kind of just pat it there and then move it back lightly. Okay, that's cute. Then I'm gonna go back with my brush that I did the white shadow with, and I'm just gonna kind of ombre it into that red so that it don't look so harsh. Cause it's not. It was looking a little harsh. Yeah, that's better. Yes, eyes. Okay, and then let me go ahead and add my top liner. It just, ooh, this eye is giving. And then I do my little wing in the front. Okay, and now I'm gonna go and apply my lashes. If you need a tutorial on how to apply your lashes, go and watch my video that's titled How to Do Makeup for Any Event. I definitely give, you know, little insights and tips on how to put your lashes on, do your brows, and a lot of other good stuff that y'all be wanting to know. So, and the face part. So if you wanna go there and do the face part, then come back to this video and do the eyes, you know, stop this one, go watch that one, then come back. Like Dear be saying, I love her. But okay, so I'm putting on my lashes and then I'll be back and show you how to finish the look. Okay, beauty, so this is my final results. It's such a look, like, right? Like, it's such a vibe. Like, I'm feeling it. If y'all want me to show y'all how I did my hair, let me know. I can make another video and redo it again for y'all because it was real simple and it's so cute, right? Like, take me on a date, take me out to dinner. Okay, well, this is the finished look. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and put a thumbs up, and you know, I'll see you on the next video.